In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your Instagram followers to YouTube subscribers. Let's go. What's up you guys? My name is Rahim and welcome back to Base Business. So the first thing you have to do is obviously to put your YouTube channel link in your Instagram bio. Your bio is like a billboard for your social media career. Anyone who sees your posts and comments can click on your username and instantly be transported to your profile. Therefore, you should let new followers know about your YouTube channels right away by putting the link in your Instagram bio. And also mention your channel in the text of your bio. For example, instead of saying model and activist, you could say model, vlogger and activist. I upload twice a week. The next thing you have to do is to make a post every time you upload a new video. Whether you can add links to your Instagram story or not, you should be making a new post to promote every new video. You can use your video thumbnail, a screenshot or a completely unrelated picture. You should share the link in the caption along with the brief description of the video it leads to. Next, you have to run a subscribers only giveaway from your Instagram. Let's be clear, giveaways are a fun and quick way to grow your following on any social media platform. You have to host it on Instagram, but require your fans to subscribe to your YouTube channel in order to be eligible to win. Be sure to include a disclaimer as well. Let your followers know that the giveaway isn't sponsored by or affiliated with Instagram itself. The next thing to do if your profile is verified is to use the swipe up feature. There are two ways to activate the swipe up feature on your Instagram story. First, your account must be verified. The second option, if you run a business profile with more than 10,000 followers, then you can use this feature. So, if you are able to use the swipe up feature, share links of your YouTube videos as soon as they go live.